Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll be showing you how to take the airbag off, which I already did right here. Exploded one. Real simple, no tools almost needed. All you need is a screwdriver, and you can see there's the pins right here. I'll show you guys right there. This pin and this pin, there's a metal that goes here, which is located right there inside. And to get that pin this way, and you can see it right there, that pin that makes it lock the airbag in. So you want to go into this hole right here. It won't have any screws or anything, you're just gonna have a hole, so you stick a screwdriver in there, kind of make it parallel, kind of make it straight, and then you can see right here, right there, I pushed it in and that is loose. Your airbag is loose on one side now. And then you unloosen it, it goes back in, and then don't push your airbag too much here, and then do the same to the other side, and you're good to go on that. And then the wiring is a little bit, might be frustrated if you never took them off. This guy, there's a black thing on top. You want to pry this thing upwards because it's a locking mechanism, like you can see on this yellow one. See, you want to have it like that, pried up like that with a flat screwdriver. You can stick it in front of it, or just don't overdo it because it's very fragile. You can break it, but once the guy is out, it's really easy to come off. So don't break this guy by forcing it out. It's not, nothing is made to be taken out by force. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and appreciate for you guys subscribing my channel, and it inspires me to make more of my videos of how to, and to make stuff easier for you guys. And sometimes I learn myself, and it makes it faster for you guys to change your airbag. So take care guys, thanks for watching, and have a good day.